Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today we're not going to be talking about technology or unboxing something. Today we're just going to be talking about something that has been on my mind for about a month or so. Now this is probably also going to be something that not very many of you will really want to hear. And that would be that I'm not going to be posting for about a month or so. Now you may have noticed that we've been in a different studio. Now I'm not going to go through all the reasons why we switched over from our previous studio, but the main reason was just because that space had to be used for something else, so that prompted us to move over here. But it's just that lately it's been a little bit harder than usual to keep pushing content out every week. Now also during that month that I'm not going to be posting, I do have like 25 to 30 videos that I have posted that you can watch, just so you guys can stay occupied once I do start posting again. Now also, before you click off the video, I did just want to quickly say that when I'm done with my break and I've had all the time to relax and whatever, I will be posting an update video saying that I'm going to continue to start posting again. And in that video, I will be giving a lot more information of what's going to be going on, as well as like an official posting schedule that you guys can be able to expect when I come out with new videos, as well as a ton of more information that I'm not going to say right now because I kind of want to keep it a secret. But one thing I will say is to hit that bell icon after you hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I do come out with that video, because trust me, it's a video you will not want to miss out on. So yeah, I just wanted to post this video just to let you guys know what's going to be going on and just to stay updated with this channel. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.